Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a drone tour of Spanish Town. Now straight ahead to the right that's the Rubis gas station, and then the road to the left of that is Barrett Street. That open lot is the Prison Oval, and then the road beside the open lot is Burke Road. Now up the building all the way to the right, that is the Spanish Town Prison. And the structures that are coming into view now at the bottom of the screen, that is the Spanish Town Hospital. And that's a view of the hospital. Now Spanish Town is the oldest town in Jamaica, and it used to be the capital of Jamaica. Now that road that we're looking at straight ahead is White Church Street. And then that's a primary school in front. Now coming into the view at the top left, that's De La Vega City. And then the structures you see all the way at the top of the screen, that's Portmore. That structure we're looking at the top of the screen now is the Bernard Lodge area, and that's one of the warehouses. And that's De La Vega City that we're looking at straight ahead. And then that road we're looking at now is the Spanish Town bypass. And then the structure all the way at the bottom of the screen, that is the St. Diego Health Center. And the top of the screen, that's Portmore. And then on the screen now is Spanish Town, and that bridge is the Spanish Town Bridge. That river is actually the Rio Cobre. And then straight ahead, that is the old cast iron bridge. The trees kind of blocking it, but that is the oldest cast iron bridge in the Caribbean. And then where you see that crane, that is the crane for the construction of the Spanish Town Hospital. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.